Good morning. Kagigising lang. It's around 10:15 ng umaga. Today is Sunday. Parehas kami may pasok, pero hindi ko lang kung magbe-breakfast siya. Hintay ko. Yeah. Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good.
I'm fine. So, 9 o'clock, right?
5 o'clock today.
5?
Mm.
Oh my God. So, what will I do? Or you will do? We still have a caldereta.
Well, there's enough for one person. I can
That
have,
is for you. Huh?
I'll have that for you.
How about, what is your partner of that? It is a
There's some rice in there. I can cook some chips.
chips
Chips. I can cook some chips.
and
There's rice in here.
no more.
Yes, there is.
Which one?
There's enough rice. There's enough rice here.
Oh, okay.
What about this? What's happening with this one here?
I'm gonna use it's okay, the soup, but the meat, I'm gonna use it, and also that one. I think tonight or tomorrow.
Well, you'll finish that, will you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna come here first. Come here.
Oh, I
Come
can't see.
here.
I can't see.
Yes.
What? What?
Nothing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Nothing. Okay. Would you like to proceed your sleeping?
I'm going to have some breakfast. You have to go to work soon, don't you?
Yeah, I am. I'm done with my breakfast, so
Aren't you going to eat the bread?
I'm eating.
I'll join you now.
Okay. Lasing ko pala, papasok siya. Hindi. Kasi sabi dati 9:00. Ngayon, nagbago. Wait lang. Andito na naman yung maingay. Ang maingay. I think it's broken. This you might having a this one. I'll be the one. I'm gonna have this.
You transfer to the lounge if you like.
No, it's good here.
It's cooler this morning.
Yeah. Yung upuan namin ay sira na. Pinagtsatsagaan namin. Hindi pa kami binigyan ng bago. Sasabay daw siya sa breakfast. Siya na ang gumagawa pag breakfast. Bihira lang ako gumawa pag breakfast. Siya talaga ang gumagawa. Ako naman na yung lunch or dinner.
request na lang daw doon sa may-ari, papalitan naman yan. Eh, hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng time o tempo doon sa may-ari dahil parating wala.
Medyo malamig dito, around plus 10:20 ng
Diyan.
umaga.
Kasi
Ito lang ang daily routine ko every morning. Coffee. With milk, syempre. Tapos, yung bread, gluten-free. And then, yung gluten-free na yan, kailangan i-toast mo. Tapos yung palaman, butter, and ladies choice. Pinaghalo ko. Ito, butter, Filipinas made.
at habang naman nandoon siya naghahanda, saka naman siya nakaramdam ng sakit sa legs niya. Parang nagka-cramp siya. Kaya na ano din ako na nag-alala din. Kasi hindi yan siya ganyan. Nag-aalala din ako sa kanya kasi lalo na ang trabaho niya pang gabi. So, baka mamaya sumpungin siya doon sa legs niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanya kahapon, gusto mo magpa-check up tayo sa doktor. Ayaw niya. Mawawala din yan daw. Ewan ko na hanggang ngayon nasa isip ko pa rin yan. Pero kailangan talaga ata ipa-check up ko si Habi sa doktor.
I think it's, wait, I will get it.
That's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. No, I don't need it. I don't need it. Leave it alone. You had two pairs of scissors actually.
Yeah, both of them, it's on the drawer.
Of what?
Both of them, it's in our room.
Oh, that's okay.
Ako'y alalang-alala sa
Mid-year
sitwasyon
morning
ni
shift.
Habi. Kasi
until 6 o'clock. What time you're scheduled tomorrow?
kasi dahil dyan sa
Yeah,
pananakit
you
ng
will.
legs
You
niya.
can pick me up at
Sa tagal-tagal ng
6.
panahon, ngayon lang siya nakaramdam ng ganyang pananakit ng legs niya na kailangan kong pagtuunan ng pansin na kailangan ata pumunta kami ng doktor. Ayan, busy si Habi sa kusina. At ako'y nakaupo lang, nakamasid sa kanya. Dahil ayaw nga niya magpatulong. Gusto siya lang daw. Ang hinahanda niya ay fried egg at coffee.
Tomorrow,
And bread.
there is a
Ang
bangus
bread
there.
is gluten-free.
Would you like
Parehas
tomorrow I
kami.
will make paksiw?
At naghahanda na rin siya yung
Paksiw, you know the
babaunin
one
niya.
that is steamed with vinegar? Do you like it? Or would you like to fry it only?
I'd like it fried actually if you.
Okay, I'm gonna marinate tonight. Bangus, fried bangus ang ulam namin bukas. So, imamarinate ko mamaya. Mamayang gabi pagdating ko. See?
Ayan, gusto na naman niya ng fried bangus. Kaya magmamarinate ako para kinabukasan. Ipiprito ko na lang.
At isa
Sometimes
pa,
naman,
tapos
siya
ang
na lang ang
partner niyan,
nagpiprito. Kasi gusto niya yung
bangus.
malutong. Eh,
Gusto ko
syempre
bumili
wala
ng
ako.
ano.
Kaya siya na lang magpiprito.
Bigas na mais. Masarap yun. Tapos lagyan mo ng lagyan mo ng ano ba yun, ng gata. Ang sarap. Sarap siya.
Oh, what's happened to my leg?
What happened?
I don't know.
You have a cramps?
No, not cramp, it's just sore. Oh, should come right.
Oh. It's just because it's cold.
Could be, I don't know.
Okay, let's have there at the lounge. Lipat kami kasi lipat kami ng pwesto. Aray! Lipat.